Welcome back to Automotive, where we bring you the latest, the boldest, and the most exciting updates in the world of cars and trucks. And today, we've got something truly special. Something that's going to stir up both nostalgia and excitement. Say hello to the all-new 2026 Ford F100 pickup truck. That's right, Ford has done it again, reaching back into its rich history and reviving a classic, but this time, it's no retro gimmick. The F100 is more than just a tribute to the past. It's a full-fledged, modern-day pickup with cutting-edge technology, smart design choices, and a look that's both familiar and futuristic. Let's start with the design. The 2026 F100 doesn't just borrow cues from the old-school models, it honors them. You get that boxy, muscular stance that made the original F100 iconic, but it's been refined with aerodynamic sculpting, LED lighting that seamlessly blends into the bodywork, and a grille that screams both heritage and innovation. There's a kind of visual balance here, bold enough to catch the eye, but not screaming for attention. Whether you're rolling through the city or hauling gear out in the country, this truck turns heads without trying too hard. Now under the hood, the F100 gives buyers real choice. You can go traditional with a turbocharged 2.7L EcoBoost V6 that delivers a solid punch with improved fuel economy. Or, and this is big, you can opt for a full electric powertrain. Ford's taken lessons from the F150 Lightning and refined them here. The electric variant offers up to 320 miles of range on a single charge, and torque. Instant. This thing launches like a rocket off the line, and you won't believe it until you feel it. It's quiet, smooth, and incredibly responsive. On the inside, the F100 blends utility with refinement. You're not just sitting in a work truck anymore, you're in a modern command center. The dashboard features a 12-inch digital cluster, paired with a vertical touchscreen that integrates Ford's latest sync system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice-activated controls, it's all there. And yes, the software updates over the air, so you're always on the latest version without ever stepping into a dealership. But what really sets this interior apart is the thoughtful use of space and materials. You've got options: durable cloth for those who use their trucks for real work, or leather-trimmed interiors for drivers who want a bit more comfort and polish. There's clever storage everywhere, under the seats, inside the center console, and even in the doors. And for those who choose the electric model, the front trunk, aka the frunk, adds an extra layer of utility with 14 cubic feet of secure, weatherproof storage. Safety and driver assistance are a huge part of the F100's appeal. You've got Ford Copilot 360 as standard, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control that works in stop-and-go traffic. And for those who tow, there's Pro Trailer Backup Assist, trailer sway control, and an available 360-degree camera system that makes hitching up or maneuvering in tight spots almost effortless. And let's talk capability. This isn't just a pretty truck, it's a workhorse. The gas-powered version can tow up to 7,500 pounds and haul a payload of up to 1,800 pounds. The electric model comes close, offering around 6,500 pounds of towing capacity and payload just under 1,500. It's more than enough for weekend warriors, contractors, and everyone in between. Ford's also introduced a new selectable drive mode system: normal, sport, tow, haul, and off-road, so you can tailor your experience based on what you're doing or where you're headed. Perhaps the most surprising element of the F100 is its size. It slots just below the F150, making it more manageable for urban driving while still offering serious truck capability. Ford has clearly aimed this at people who want a pickup that's versatile, daily drivable, and doesn't take up the entire driveway. It's the sweet spot between compact and full size, and it's exactly what many truck buyers have been asking for. Pricing. Ford hasn't released all the trim-specific numbers yet, but we're hearing the base model will start just under $35,000, with the electric version beginning in the mid-40s. That's highly competitive, especially given what's on offer. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Ford F100 is not just a revival, it's a reinvention. It respects the past but drives us into the future. It's practical, capable, loaded with tech, and wrapped in a package that looks and feels just right. If you're in the market for a mid-size truck that's smarter, cleaner, and tougher than ever, the F100 deserves a serious look. Whether you're nostalgic for the nameplate or just looking for something new, Ford might have just built your next truck. Thanks for watching Automotive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Let us know in the comments what you think about the return of the F100. Is it a hit or a miss? Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.